projector's way. If you walk your path, you will feel no fuss. Success is your destination, and although others teach how to get it in their reach, for you it's on your way after you align with your ray. Your way can seem secluded, but in Mother Nature you are included. You can feel not only humans, but trees, animals, and even food. So don't be fooled. You are always in full embrace of nature's gaze. Yes, your way can be tough to follow, 'cause maybe not even tomorrow someone recognize you the one to follow. Especially if not demanded, your guidance will be like a hard amendment. So chill, enjoy your drill. You'll be at the top of the hill.